Respected principal sir, our respected teachers and dear students, on the eve or occasion of 75th Republic Day, I greet you all and congratulate you all. Please clap together. It is a rare occasion for all of us. The festive fervor prevails all around, and each among us with pomp and gaiety celebrate this occasion each and every year to take an oath that we as Indian will prevail brotherhood, respect and humanity for all. In the recent years, so far as our progress is concerned, we have made tremendous achievement in all fronts. So far as the theme of the 75th Republic is concerned, this is Viksit Bharat, and सबका साथ और सबका विकास. We as a all will take oath today that no war of culture, creed and religion will come in our path. We will spread the love, affection and brotherhood for each and every Indians, and together we can make a Viksit Bharat. It is our promise. As a teacher, it is our duty to ensure the overall growth of our students so that they should be a very good citizen of coming India. Our youth, the students are the future of our country, so we should sacrifice ourselves for the development of each and every Indians. The first point of discussion is unity in diversity. As you say, in a garden, there are different flowers of different colors. So we as Indian, we have different beliefs and religion. But so far as our unity is concerned, we stood united at each and every occasion and have shown our spirit of true patriotism at each and every instance. The second aspect is the vision of our constitution turning into the reality. So far as the vision and mission of our constitution is concerned, we believe in the development and inclusion of each and every sect of our country, each and every religion of our country. So it is our duty to respect each and every religion and will lead together a Viksit Bharat. The digital India, the another growth, to eradicate the corruption in different sphere of life. We have just introduced the digital transformation of each and every physical transformation. So the digital India is also strengthening our culture. Women empowerment is the another beauty of our country, and we are working together to strengthen each and every child. We have just celebrated on the 25th of the January the Balika Divas. Thereafter we will talk of the development of our child in the so far as the role of schooling is concerned.
मैसेज बहुत आएगा
We do believe the children will come
कोचिंग
and they will just grow not as in academics, rather as a good students and the coming citizen of our country. So I congratulate each and every among us. Our children of class 10th are standing before us, so it gives us pleasure to us, and I